Hello everybody, Microsoft in a big trouble. Because of Microsoft Edge is leaking every URL that you visit to Binge. How to eliminate this? At the end of the video. So wait, but let's discuss about the leaks. Microsoft has been under fire for its questionable user tracking tactics for years, but that's not dissuasive that company from continuing to collect odds of data. To the point, a Redditor via The Verge recently noticed that the newest version of Microsoft Edge sends a request to bingeapps.com with the full URL of nearly every site a user visits. Searching for references to this URL gives very few results. No documentation on this feature at all, wrote hacker Crackface. Surely I can't be the first to discover this. Redditors that responded to the thread figured out that the bingeapps.com is a Microsoft owned domain, and that others have reported that the site of any.run in the past. They were not able to determine why the company would implement such an invasive feature, but The Verge reached out to the software engineer Rafael Rivera to see if he could figure out what was going on. As it turns out, Microsoft might have just made a mistake. Microsoft Edge now has a creator follow feature that is enabled by default. Rivera explained, it appears that the intent was to notify Binge when you are on a certain page, such as YouTube, The Verge, and Reddit, but it doesn't appear to be working correctly. Instead sending nearly every domain you visit to Binge. Microsoft started testing the follow creator feature last year and rolled it out to more users in recent months. The feature gives fans the ability to easily follow YouTube creators with the tap of a button. The problem is that other than a list of blocked sites in the Binge Apps master filter, the feature is sending every URL you visit to Binge. We are aware of reports. We are investigating, and we will take appropriate action to address my issues. Ruston, Director of Communications at Microsoft, told The Verge. In the meantime, if you want to stop Binge from scrapping every URL you visit, you can turn off the follow creator feature. So let's see how to turn it off. First, go to settings and then privacy, search and services, and then go down until you found services, and then the ribbon show suggestions to follow creators in Microsoft Edge. This will be on, so all you need to do is to turn it off. This will eliminate the leaks from Microsoft Edge. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.